Attendant. I'm here to show you our scorching machine. As you can see, this is the motorized oven and the speed controller, the ramp where the pads are located to get scorched. Right now our motorized oven is moving over the pads. This is the second round of the scorching at the speed of 11. It is very slow. As you can see, they are burned. The surface is burned because of the preheat and the first run of heat. I'm waiting for the first pad to appear at the other side of the oven so you can see how they get burned. They get on fire. These 4 pads are just they are not for use. They are just there to locate all the pads in the same position. So when the oven starts, it always starts at the same point. And you can see the first pad on fire. As I explained to you in the mail, they are separated by the electric resistance by 7-8 millimeters. They are not in contact, but as you can see, they get on fire. With our procedure, scorching procedure, we have determined that we need at least 3 times or 3 runnings at this speed with the preheat to settle a well scorching, because if not, when we try them on the dynamometer, we can see they are not well scorched. The bedding time takes longer. And pilots also are aware of it. As I told you, this works. And the dynamometer are in the cards. However, we have the problem of the blistering and fissures. We don't know how to repair this, what to do. We've been making a lot of trials at the scorching stage with different speeds of preheat and scorching. We were also trying to see at the whole procedure of part manufacturing. If everything was okay, or if there was something to change or to modify.